Hello and welcome to our Quix tutorial. In this video, I will show you the social icon element. Using this element, you can display the social icon and link them to your social platform. Click on the plus icon and select the social icon element. Click on the plus icon to add a new item. Now you need to set the title and select the proper icon. Once the icon is selected, set its color. You can duplicate and remove an icon anytime you want. From the basic panel, you can either keep the list or inline layout. Set the alignment and position. In the Style tab, adjust the spacing in between items and adjust it for responsive device as well. Item padding is also useful to adjust their positions and gaps. Now let's set the border. You can set border width, border type, border color, and border radius. You can change the icon color from here. Let's add a background color. If you want, you can change the hover color as well. Advanced tab is common everywhere, and we have a dedicated video for this. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Create explainer video at affordable cost. Contact WeVive today.